we want to choose, depending on the hardware, we can choose the cloud platform. Suppose we are using the Node MCU or VMOS D1. We can use only ThingSpeak or Blink ThingSpeak platform, because it is easy to communicate with the ThingSpeak cloud platform. Depending on the hardware, whether the cloud platform is support our hardware or not, that is the main issue. Some of the cloud platforms are not supporting some of the boards. Some of the platforms are supporting only particular boards only. Suppose ThingSpeak or Blink platform, Thinger IoT, Things board, these are all are supporting our Node MCU board. Maybe Node MCU is also supporting the Google Cloud platform. These are the IoT cloud platforms. Next one is mobile app development tools. Okay. Here there is a using our mobile only, we want to monitoring and we want to control the some appliances. How to develop the apps? There are ready-made predefined tools are there. There is a MIT App Inventor tool, HomeKit, Android Things, ThinkVerse, Azure IoT Suite, IBM or Oracle. These are the some of the tools are available to develop our own application. Or we can also use the open source mobile apps are there. There is a, suppose we are using the ThingSpeak platform. There is a, for that there is a open source apps. There is a ThingView or ThingSpeak. Suppose we are using the Blink platform. There is a app is there, Blink app. This is the mobile app. It is similar to, suppose in our Bluetooth application we are using the Bluetooth app. Okay. Suppose in this case also there is a open source apps are there, ThingSpeak or Blink app. These are the mobile app development tools. In order to develop the app, there is a MIT App Inventor tool is there. So many tools are there. Suppose you want to use the predefined tool, we can use depending on the chosen cloud platform. Suppose I am choosing ThingSpeak platform, so we must download the ThingView or ThingSpeak apps only. This is regarding to the IoT ecosystem for sensor to cloud scenario we are completed. Next, cloud to actuator scenario. There are so many boards are there. Generally, microcontroller based boards are so there, and IoT development boards. Suppose for microcontroller based board, we need to buy. Additionally, we need to buy the gateways. The gateways may be Wi-Fi module, or GSM module, or LoRa module, or Zigbee module, or any module. Okay, the gateway, it is nothing but it is the interface between the two platforms. Okay, it is acting as an interface between the microcontroller and cloud. Okay, or it is acting as a interface between the uh, wireless to wireless to Wi-Fi facility. Next, IoT development boards are there. It is nothing but combination of microcontroller plus Wi-Fi model. There are the tools are there, Arduino, Energy ID, MIT App Inventor. These are the cloud platforms. This is the app development tools. There is the MIT App Inventor tool, and there is another tool is there. Blink App Inventor tool is also there. Next, we will see what is actually what is NPTEL and what is SWAYAM. Actually, NPTEL is the National Program on Technology Enhanced Learning. It is the online platform. They will provide the online courses for the engineering and H&S people. NPTEL stands for National Program on Technology Enhanced Learning, which is an initiative by 7 Indian Institute of Technology, that is IIT Bombay, IIT Delhi, Guwahati, Kanpur, Kharagpur, Madras, and Roorkee, and Indian Institute of Science. They are developed the online platform for they are creating a course content in engineering and science. They are provide the e-learning through online web and video courses in engineering, science and humanities streams. Here, SWAYAM, both are SWAYAM and NPTEL, both are online platforms only. SWAYAM is nothing but SWAYAM stands for Study Webs of Active Learning for Young Aspiring Minds. It is a Indian
Basically,
massive open online course platform.
కోర్స్ మాకు ఎలాంటి మాకు కోర్స్ చేస్తారంటే
Okay, if you go
డివైడ్
to the
చేస్తారు
our course introduction to internet of things,
చెప్పండి
this course will be explained by
Zone
Professor
zone
Sudeep
zone
Misra. Okay, actually it contain the IoT course syllabus contain the week one is introduction to IoT, next one is basics of networking, week 3 is communication protocol, next one is sensor networks and machine to machine communication, next week 5 is introduction to Arduino. Already we are completed in the second year only. Again this IoT, in the IoT is also there is a need of Arduino, because in order to develop the IoT based applications or IoT based project, it is easy to learn. If you are using the Arduino based board means without any internal details, we can easily develop the application. That is the main advantage of Arduino. In this also we can learn the introduction to Arduino programming, integration of sensors and actuators with Arduino. And the week 6 is introduction to Python programming and introduction to Raspberry Pi and implementation of IoT based projects with Raspberry Pi. Next one is implementation of IoT with Raspberry Pi, introduction to software defined network. SDN means software defined network for IoT. Next SDN for IoT. Week 9, 10, 11 and 12. These are the some of the example. Week 9 is cloud computing. That is nothing but sensor to cloud, means how we are pushing the sensor data to the cloud. Next one is fog computing, smart cities and smart homes. These are the real-time applications for the IoT. Next one is connected vehicle, means there is a automated connected vehicles, smart grid and industrial IoT. Next, industrial IoT and case study of agriculture, healthcare, activity monitoring. These are the main applications. We need to learn about the case studies and the real-time applications of in agriculture field or healthcare field or activity monitoring. Actually, the content and assignment means actually our course will start from 20 only, because of COVID. Their extended date is in September 10th maybe. Okay, every week about 2.5 to 4 hours of video containing content by the course instructor. Our course instructor is a Professor Sudeep. Okay, they will clearly explain in the video. Okay, our main intention is we want to listen the video. Okay, based on that video only they will give the assignment for each and every week. Okay, every week about 2.5 to 4 hours of video containing the content by the course instructor will be released along with the assignment based on this. Please watch the lecturer, follow the course regularly and submit the all assignment and assignments before the due date. Okay, here they are clearly mentioned your regular participation is the vital for learning and doing well in this course. This will be done a week on week through the duration of this course. It is actually a 12-week course. For each and every week they will release the video. Okay, from that only they will give the assignment. Within the deadline we will submit the assignment, and they are also clearly mentioned please do the assignment yourself, and even if you take the help, kindly try to learn from it. అంటే ఒకవేళ మీరు కాపీ చేసినా కానీ ఏంటంటే you should learn about those, because those same assignment questions maybe 20 to 30% of question will come in the external exam. Okay, these assignment will help you prepare for the final exam. They are clearly mentioned please do the assignments yourself, and if you are taking from other help, try to remember or try to learn from it. Okay, actually the criteria to get a certificate means it is the assignment marks and final marks. Okay, actually 12 assignments are there. Within the 12 assignments they will take the best 8. Okay, average assignment score is 25% of average of best 8 assignments out of the total assignments given in the course. Actually assignment marks are 25 marks and the exam score is 75. Okay, total paper is 100 marks, final exam is in the 75, assignment is 25. Okay, the final score is average plus average, that is the assignment score plus exam score. Okay, you will be eligible for a certificate only if average assignment score is greater than or equal to 10. And out of 25, we must obtain the minimum of 10. Then only you will get the certificate. And exam score greater than 30. And external minimum 30 రావాలి, internal minimum 10 రావాలి. Suppose I got the internal means assignment 15 వచ్చి exam final లో 25 వచ్చినా fail. We must satisfy these conditions. Minimum 10 assignment లో రావాలి, minimum 30 final exam. If one of the two criteria is not met, you will not be get the certificate even if the final score is greater than 100. ఒకవేళ మీరు అసైన్మెంట్ లో 30 వచ్చి ఫైనల్ లో 10 వచ్చినా ఫెయిల్. This is a go to announcement to see the assignment and alert. CRs, please take the attendance. A, B, C sections are there. Please, you can note down on the paper. Any doubts? You can ask me the doubts. Or you can chat. Today we are discuss about only the what is internet, what is IoT, and what is the sensor to cloud scenario and cloud to sensor scenario, and what are the IoT development boards are there in the market, and what are the IoT tools. Then have to develop the IoT project. What are the tools in the market? Next one is now to develop the apps. What are the mobile app development tools, and what are the IoT cloud platforms? Somebody is asking exam fees. They will declare in the after our course will actually start in September. They will give maybe October or November. They will intimate to us. Okay. See here in IoT is Internet of Things. Okay, means we are sending the data to sensor to cloud. In order to sending the data to sensor to cloud, there so many protocols are there. Okay, we know that only TCP IP protocol. In some of the application they will use MQTT, means message queue transfer protocol something. Somebody use some another protocols also. There is a Python programming is also required. In the IoT course, we learn all the things related to IoT. What is the sensor, what is the actuator, what are the boards are available, what are the protocols are available to send the cloud, and what are the suppose main popular boards are Arduino or Raspberry Pi. Okay, in Arduino we should learn about the Arduino programming. In the Raspberry Pi also how to push the data to sensor to cloud, and there is a Python programming also. They will clearly explain explain about the IoT, all the tools, all the protocols. Any doubts? You can ask me the doubts.
Smudge.
This IoT course will help you to the mini project also, mini and major project. There is no need to buy the ready-made kit. In third year, there is a in 3-2 there is a industrial oriented mini project lab is there in 3-2. Okay, in that we can do the projects based on mainly we will do the only embedded system related projects only. Out of suppose we will consider 5 section 300 members, mean only 10 members will do the VLSA project.
Not audible, sir.
प्रकाश भाई स्मार्ट आकाश
Hey Nitish, happy birthday రా Nitish.
ఏందిరా నాకే మెసేజ్ పెడుతున్నావు?
మళ్ళీ పిల్లలతో
అటెండెన్స్
ఆడుకుంటున్నావు.
తీసుకుండా
ఆకాష్ హ్యాపీ బర్త్డే ఆకాష్.
అటెండెన్స్ తీసుకున్నారా స్మార్ట్?
తీసుకుంటా.
ఏంది పులి రాలేదు ఆన్లైన్ క్లాస్ కి?
వాళ్ళకి వేరే ఎంబెడెడ్ సిస్టమ్స్.
ఏంది?
మనం IoT కదరా, వాళ్ళ ఎంబెడెడ్ సిస్టమ్స్.
అరే నేను కూడా నేను IoT ఎంబెడెడ్ సిస్టమా?
మనం ఫెయిల్
మనం
అయిపోయినాం.
మనం IoT ఏడవైనా
ఏందిరా?
మనందరూ ఒకటే ఉంటది ఏడైనా కానీ.
వాడిది
హాయ్
ఎందుకు
మైత్రేష్.
అరే నేను ఏదో నాకే తెలియదురా.
మైత్రేష్ అన్న
IoT అంటే
నీకెట్లా తెలుసు నేను IoT అని?
అరే అమ్మా, మెసేజెస్ వాట్సాప్ లో.
ఎంబెడెడ్ సిస్టమ్ అంటే ఏమో మరి, నేనైతే ఒకటి పంపించింది ఆ వాట్సాప్ లో, లాస్ట్ కి లాగిన్ అయినా, అది ఏందో తెలియదు. IoT ఎంబెడెడ్ సిస్టమ్.
పంపిస్తాను.
ఆకాష్ మైత్రేష్
Any
గారు
doubts?
చేస్తున్నాడు. ఆకాష్ ఆస్క్ డౌట్.
Exams may be December. In December there is online exam is there. We will go to online exam center. We will write the exam. Maybe December.
3-1 sir.
3-1 after your regular exams. There is a 1 day will be there. That is for your responsibility only, not me. I will provide the assignment.
Also conducted online.
What?
Regular exams కూడా ఆన్లైన్ కండక్ట్ చేస్తారా సార్?
Direct ilra.
3-1 రెగ్యులర్.
3-1 రెగ్యులర్. ఇది ఆన్లైన్ ఎగ్జామే ఉంటది డైరెక్ట్. ఆన్లైన్ అంటే ఎగ్జామ్ సెంటర్ కి ఎంసెట్ ఎగ్జామ్ లెక్క రాసి రావాలి.
MCQs ఉంటాయా సార్?
మొత్తం MCQ. మొత్తం బిట్స్ 75 బిట్స్ ఉంటాయి. అసైన్మెంట్ కూడా for maybe every week 20 questions will be there. Okay. I will try for do the answers for the assignments, but you need to practice those answers and with questions. Everything I will provide, but your responsibility only. You need to submit within the deadline. My responsibility only to monitor all the things.
Sir, will there be any hall tickets?
They will produce, no problem. After it is in the part of the 3-1 only. One of the your subject is NPTEL. It is same like other subject. Is everyone taking the attendance? I am not taking the attendance. Please see, take the CRs. You can take the attendance. You can send to my WhatsApp. CRs H2.
Akash take attendance, man.
Number H2. H2 is a
Hey,
C
smart.
section.
Take
B
attendance.
Fast within 5 minutes లో నాకు అటెండెన్స్ పంపియండి.
ఆకాష్ ఫాస్ట్
బి సెక్షన్, సి సెక్షన్, ఏ సెక్షన్.
సో 423 అనుకుంటా సార్.
ఏ సెక్షన్ వాళ్ళు మీ నెంబర్ వరకు తీసుకుంటారా, బి సెక్షన్ వాళ్ళు బి సెక్షన్ నెంబర్ ఉంటే అన్ని తీసుకుంటారు.
అరే ఆకాష్ నువ్వు తీసుకురా.
అరే రిషియా డిసిఆర్ ఉన్నాడు కదా,
చెప్పు మళ్ళా.
మీ ఫ్రెండ్ రా ఆకాష్, చెప్పురా.
తొందర తీసుకుంటా, నేను క్లోజ్ చేస్తా.
ఏ సెక్షన్ టుక్ సార్?
ఏ సెక్షన్, బి సెక్షన్ వాళ్ళు కూడా తీసుకోండి. బి సెక్షన్ ఎవరెవరు ఉంటారు కదా, సిఆర్ ఎవరు లేకుంటే ఎవరెవరు తీసుకోండి బి సెక్షన్.
మైత్రేష్ ఇంజెక్షన్ కూడా మైత్రేసే తీసుకుంటారు.
అన్ని సెక్షన్ తీసుకుంటాడు ఇక.
ఈ సెక్షన్ 61 నుంచి మిగతా వాళ్ళు రా సి దాకా ఎంత ఉంటారు C0 దాకా.
సెక్షన్ 2 సార్.
సార్ ఎంబెడెడ్ సిస్టమ్ అంటే అది ఎవరికి సార్?
Out of 360 members, 120 members are taken the embedded system. Remaining
Adem
240
sir.
members, they are taken the IoT course.
అవునా?
In 3-1 you can take either embedded system or IoT, but only 120 for 120 only they are given the chance for yes. తీసుకున్నారమ్మా shall I close?
తెలీదు.
తెలియదంట. మళ్ళీ తీసుకున్నారమ్మా క్లోజ్ చేయాలా? shall we close?
క్లోజ్ సార్.
Foji sir మరి నాకు in embedded system generally for IoT itself it include the embedded system. Actually embedded system means it is a combination of hardware and software. Hardware means we are using sensor and some microcontroller. Okay, IoT embedded system is nothing but it is in the part of the IoT only. There is no need to
తెలియదు.
IoT embedded system, it is the part of the IoT only. There is no need, but in embedded system course there is a special means they need to learn about the Tivasi based board. It is similar to Arduino only. You can learn in embedded system means in 4-1 means what is the embedded system, what are the application, what are the sensor, and what is the actuator. Those syllabus will come in the 4-1. ఈ సెక్షన్ తీసుకున్నారమ్మా అటెండెన్స్?
ఇంకా లేదు సార్.
ఎస్ సార్.
Shall we close?
ఆకాష్
తీసుకున్నారా బి సెక్షన్ మళ్ళీ?
ఎస్ సార్.
ఎవరన్నా స్క్రీన్ షాట్ తీసుకుంటారా? అది
తీసుకున్నాం సార్, అయిపోయింది.
ఈ అటెండెన్స్ స్క్రీన్ షాట్ ఎలా తీసుకుంటారు?
మా క్లాస్ వాళ్ళ స్క్రీన్ షాట్ తీసుకొని మీకు వాట్సాప్ చేస్తాం సార్, అయిపోతుంది.
స్క్రీన్ షాట్ నంబర్లు కూడా పంపి.
ఎస్ సార్.
Shall I close? Okay, thank you. You can leave. స్క్రీన్ షాట్ తీసుకోండి అమ్మా, తీసుకొని okay, I am closing. Thank you.